Hello, my name is Mirvert and I am an English teacher at secondary school named after М.Қ Құрманов. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about online platform, which interesting for students and teachers. Okay, let's continue. I am on the website. Visor is a digital worksheet. And it allows for the inclusion images, videos, questions, and the teachers can set specific tasks such as getting students to label images or answers multiple choice questions. If you don't have an account at this point, you will need to sign up. If you already have an account, you can click login and get started. I am on the website And you can see some community worksheets that are out there that people have shared. Looks like there is a back to school worksheet. And there is a digital worksheet building tool that can be used both by students and by teachers. It allows for the inclusion images, videos, and questions. Teachers can set specific tasks such as getting students to label images or answer multiple choice questions. For example, this healthy food challenge. Let's continue. The theme of lesson. And what is this? Apple, avocado, lemon, pumpkin, for example. You must choose one correct answer. The second questions. What is this? What is this? You must answer these questions. First of all, okay.